Hi, I'm Kendall from Premium Floors. I'm going to provide you a brief overview of the profiles and trims used to terminate any one of our floating floor collections. In general, there are 4 basic profile shapes that are used to terminate and finish your floor professionally. Firstly, it's the border or end section, which provides a square edge for terminating at sliding doors, thresholds and vertical surfaces. Secondly, the connector profile for joining floor coverings of equivalent height. Thirdly, the ramp profile for adapting from one level down to another, typically used for terminating down onto subfloor level. And finally, the stair applications. Let's take a closer look at the In Size O Quickstep collection. This is the In Size O collection from Quickstep. The beauty of this collection is that they are in perfectly matching colours for our entire Quickstep range of both laminate and wood floors. For the laminate collection, they come in a laminate finish. For the Quickstep wood collection, they come in genuine wood finishes. The beauty of the Quickstep In Size O is that the profile is supplied as one piece with a disposable cutting tool, and it can be adapted on site to fit any application that you might require. Once again, it's the border section that is used for finishing at vertical surfaces, the connector that you will use for installation of control joints at doorways or floor coverings of equivalent height, the ramp section for adapting from one level to the other, or the stair nose application that can be finished in multiple different ways. Remember that if you are applying In Size O on stairs, you will require the special aluminium stair base for each application. The second collection we're going to look at is the Prestige Profile Collection. The Prestige collection is suitable for terminating any floating floor. These are aluminium profiles available in an anodized finish or a very highly durable wood wrap finish. Once again, the basic profiles are provided, including a ramp for adapting one level to another, a connector for surfaces of equivalent height, which can also be adapted to form a small ramp. That's why we call that the universal. Or the border or end applications. This is the end application. It is what we call a pre-fit profile. In other words, the profile should be fitted prior to the installation of floor covering and the cut edge is installed into the open channel. Alternatively, the border profile is a post-fit application. We call it a post-fit application because the base channel is fitted first and the top section is fitted post the installation of the floor covering. Finally, there is a 8mm or 14mm stair nose in the Prestige range, once again finished in either an aluminium anodized or the wood wrap finish. That's the Prestige Profile Collection. The final piece of the puzzle is the Scotia collections. Scotia is a small timber moulding used at the floor perimeter to cover the perimeter expansion gap. It's fitted to an existing wall or existing skirting where you are not going to be using the skirting boards themselves to cover that gap. We have 3 collections available in Scotia. Once again, we have the full Quickstep Scotia collection that matches all Quickstep laminate and wood floors perfectly. We offer a generic Scotia range we call Elite, which is an affordable wood look Scotia with HDF core, and finally a genuine wood Scotia in a range of stained colours in both 15 and 19mm. That winds up the brief overview of our profiles and trims used for finishing floating floors. Remember the principle of ramp, connector or border applications, your stair profiles as required, and don't forget the Scotia for covering that perimeter gap. Good luck with your installation, and for any more details, contact your retailer.